Right from the start, it's a mouthful to say, Neuro Linguistic Programming Techniques. Known as NLP, the process started out as a therapeutic method, according to its co-founders, Richard Bandler and John Grinder. NLP techniques can be difficult to understand at first. The idea behind them is to understand the relationships between thoughts and behaviors, and to change or improve the behaviors through communication techniques. NLP has been adapted by many therapists as a way of helping people become aware of what they tell themselves about their character and behavior. In essence, practitioners of neuro-linguistic programming techniques seek to help people learn to stop self-defeating thoughts and replace with positive self-talk. This in turn is organized into beneficial behavior patterns that reinforce the positive internal conversation and aim at improving interpersonal communications at the same time. Although some scientists tend to discount NLP techniques, dozens of private psychotherapists have incorporated it into their therapeutic practices. NLP has had its biggest influence in the fields of self-help programs, life coaching and management training. In these areas, neuro-linguistic programming techniques are being practiced as methods of achieving excellence in performance. Among the more popular of neuro-linguistic programming techniques, rapport. NLP suggests that to gain rapport with other people, there are benefits to matching one's own non-verbal behavior, such as posture, tone of voice, head position and so on, with another person. Some techniques go so far as to encourage matching speech and body rhythms of others to achieve mutual rapport. Anchoring. This NLP process involves associating a particular response with a unique stimulus, or anchor. A gesture, a tone of voice or a certain touch most often are used as anchors, although an anchor could be any unique sensory stimulus. Neuro-linguistic programming proponents say this technique resembles classical psychological conditioning. Reframing. In neuro-linguistic programming techniques, reframing involves presenting a communication element in a way that transforms how an individual sees the meanings attached to words, phrases or events. The theory is that changing the perception of the event leads to changing the responses and behaviors associated with the event as well. Fairy tales, myths, legends and even jokes frequently use reframing as a communications technique. Neuro-linguistic programming techniques are now widely used in many kinds of therapies and self-improvement methods.